Hello and welcome to Cochise College. In today's video, we'll be showing you how you can register for classes online. Before we begin, please make sure that you've done your mandatory advising. If you're unsure that you've done your mandatory advising, here's how you can contact the advisors. You can contact them via the phone by these two phone numbers, or you can contact them via email with this address right here. If you want more information about the advisors or the mandatory advising, please go to www.cochise.edu/advising. When you get to the main page, go up to your right hand corner and click on the My Cochise login. When you get to the login screen, go ahead and log in with your username. This is going to be your last name followed by your first initial, followed by 3 numbers. If you forgot what the 3 numbers are, make sure you go back and look at your admissions email. After that, make sure you type in your password. Once you've logged into your My Cochise account, navigate to the left side of your screen to activate the toolbar. Next, click on the tab called Academics. Then, click on the Registration Add drop form. Next, select the correct term and press Submit. Here's the class registration form. To register for a class, you'll need to paste in the class registration number into one of these boxes. To find your class registration number, go down to Class Search, and then select the correct subject of your class. When you find the appropriate class, click on Course Search, and this will bring up a list of all the available classes offered underneath that subject. When you find the right class, click on the View Sections button and copy the class registration number. Then go back to the registration form and paste the CRN into one of the boxes. If you want a more advanced way to search for your classes, go to Class Search. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Advanced Search. And then you'll be brought to this page where you can set up your search parameters. You can select your subject right here, and you can also input your course number here and your title here. You can also select the type of class that you want coming down to this option box right here. We're going to be doing a separate video discussing the different types of classes that we offer, so make sure you keep an eye open for that. If you only want to see classes that are offered at a particular location, you can use this option right here. And if you want to see which classes are offered on certain days, you can go down to where these little boxes are and you can check those as well. Once you finish setting up your search parameters, go down to where it says Section Search. This will bring you to a page where it'll list all the classes that fall underneath your search parameters. When you finish adding all your classes, make sure you click Submit Changes. When you're ready to pay, you can go down to these 2 options right down here. You can either pay in full or create a payment plan. You'll be then brought to this page where you can enter in your information so you can pay for your class or classes. If you can't pay for your classes in full, you can go down to this option where it says Set up a payment plan, and this will bring you to a page where you can set up monthly payments. And that's it! If you have any questions or you need any additional help, here's our contact information and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching.